Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add your quick actions. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below and make sure to like and comment for the algorithm. So next thing you're going to go ahead and do is in the top left corner, go ahead and press docs, go to custom browser docs, doc name switch my guy. All right. And then I'll just go ahead into my browser, go to my stream manager, go ahead and go to my quick actions, right click it, press pop out, and then just go ahead and copy it like so, and then go over here and then just put in my URL. And then now I have a doc for that. Now, if I wanted to, let's say, do anything on it, I would then just have to log in, and then I could change my quick actions from right here within my OBS. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.